Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the CW Clinic. My name is Chris and I'm your host. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. This is my show and it is episode number 70, which I'm oddly really fucking happy about. I don't know what it is, but this number 70 just seems to be doing big things for me and my motivation and my thought process when it comes to this show. About 2 years in, 2.25 years in, something like that, like 26 months in, episode number 70. We're going to talk about a topic today that's near and dear to me that I really want you guys to understand. If it resonates with you, I want you to take part in what I'm about to explain to you. This is a movement that I found a few years ago, and I took it upon myself to try to be the example, to influence other people to do the same thing and be the same type of human. Before I get into the show topic, I just want to formally welcome everyone to the CW Clinic, my show. Here's a quick history about me. If you don't know me, I'm loud, I'm black and white, I'm straight to the point. I do this thing that's very rare these days. I deliver the truth, regardless of if it's want to be heard or not. Sometimes tactfully, sometimes not. A little bit about me. I've been in business for almost 13 years. I have 2 business degrees, including an MBA. I've built 5 companies, several of them 6-figure, one of them 7 figures. I've employed hundreds. I've created jobs. I'm a builder of life. I'm a builder of fucking business. I've surpassed the 8-figure mark in business at an average sales price of $100. I'm here to help you. My mission statement to this show is to help you save time and money by learning from my mistakes. This is a self-development based podcast. I'm here to teach you. Do know that some of the things I might say might be hard to swallow. However, as soon as you start swallowing them, your life will change. If you don't want to take my word for it, look at the reviews on the show. Look at the reviews on Dominate Your Day Facebook page. Shit. Look at my social medias. People are posting about it every day, how their life is rapidly advancing because they're learning and they're open-minded and they're into developing themselves. And that's what I do. I teach it. Now, this show is brought to you by Warrior Consulting. Mentoring and business coaching, helping you plan, build, and scale your life with purpose. I should say your life and your business with purpose. If you're looking to explore business coaching and or mentorship with me, find in the show notes how to get a hold of me. All right, I'm super easy to get a hold of. In the show notes, it'll tell you how to get a hold of me on your favorite platform. Now that we got through all of the introductory stuff, let's talk about one of my favorite topics, which is today. We are going to talk about hashtag how to be a good human. Okay, being a good human is a movement that I fell upon several years ago. I think from Andy Frisella. I saw him pushing like a shopping cart back to the shopping cart corral, and he was preaching about, it doesn't matter how busy you are, be a good fucking human and do the right thing fundamentally. And I really liked that, and ever since then I've been doing that and many other things. Today, I'm going to teach you fundamentally what being a good human is all about, all right? You have to understand that for the first time ever in my show, I am going to actually quote the Bible, all right? I'm not technically like a religious dude. I'm super spiritual. I believe in the universe and the laws of the universe and the power of the universe. And like, I pray to my dad in the universe. I lost my dad when I was young. I was 20. I was in Iraq. All right. But there are some principles of energies in the universe that intertwine with the Bible, and the Bible has a lot of things that intertwine with the universe. It's just depending on how you look at it. All right, and the first thing I'm going to talk to you about being a good human is straight out of the Bible. All right, the Bible says we reap what we sow. All right, deal with others unjustly. You must know that unjust dealings will come home to roost. Okay? Reap what we sow. What you give, you will get. What you do will come back to you. You put good out, good will come back. You put bad out, bad will come back. But we're going to focus on the positive today. You reap what you sow, okay? Doing to others what we would like to do unto us. I always remember my mother saying, do unto others as others do unto you. Don't treat people poorly if you don't want to be treat people poorly. Treat people well and you will be treated well. Okay? It might not be every single time, but the more good you treat others and the more good you put out, the more good that's going to come back. And you have to accept that it's going to take time and that it might not happen on every principle. But the more good you do, the better of a human you are, the higher the likelihood that more good is going to happen to you. And don't get caught up on the bad things that don't happen to you. Or I should say, the things that happen to you that aren't good, such as life. But the more you deposit into the karma bank, the more good that will come back. And guys, you can't look at this like, all right, I'm going to do good because it's going to come back. You graciously give and willingly receive. Quote Bob Proctor. Graciously give, willingly receive. Don't look at this like, well, I'm going to be a good human because only good things are going to come back. No. Be a good human because you want to be a good human. Be a good human because you want to donate your clothes. Be a good human and pick up that trash in front of the trash can that someone missed. Be a good human and pick up the shit when you walk your dog. Be a good human and not piss on the fucking toilet seat. Be a good human and put your shopping cart away when you're done with it. Be a good human and just be nice. Be nice to people. Be nice to other humans. Be a good human not just when the fucking camera is on you, but really being a good human is when no one is looking. That's how you be a good human. It's when no one is looking, when you're doing the right thing, when you're picking up the shit your dog shit, when you're putting your shopping cart away, when you're being nice to the homeless guy, when you're picking up the trash that didn't make it in the trash can, when you're cleaning up the piss on the seat that you got there. All right? Being a good human is in your soul. Be a good human to the core. Be a good human with your decisions throughout the day. Not just thinking about yourself, but thinking about everybody else and who this affects and what your actions can be doing and who they are affecting, okay? Be a good human. It's not about you. The world doesn't revolve around you. We revolve with the world. The world revolves and we are in our place. Being a good human is being selfless. The golden rule. Here's the hard part, quote unquote, about being a good human, okay? There's a lot of things that go into it, but the most important thing is it starts in your mind. Being a good human is thinking good thoughts, not being cynical, not slandering people, not being rude, not thinking negativity. Think positivity, not just in your actions, but in your thoughts. The more that you think I'm a good human and do good things and not put negative out, the more good that's going to come. You're burying good into your subconscious and into your karma bank. And the more good that you bury into your subconscious and into the karma bank, the more good that you're going to exude, the more good that you're going to attract back in. Thoughts are magnetic. Control your thoughts. good human thoughts will come back to you. And listen, guys, I want to take this moment to thank everyone for all the reviews, all of the shares, all of the feedback on social medias. Guys, I'm so fucking thankful. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. If this show resonates with you and you want to be a good human, pay it forward and fucking send this show specifically to everyone you know that would like it. And if you don't think you know anyone, post it up on your show, on your socials, guys, on your stories. Tag me in your posts. Every social media platform I'm on, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, all of it. The links are in my bio if you want to follow me there. I'd be grateful. Send this to people. Get this movement out. Let's fucking make this mainstream. Don't know anyone? Post it on your socials, guys. This will resonate with people, and let's do it together as a tribe. Let's just be good fucking humans. The world needs good right now. And you know what? In closing today, guys, my closing words to you are, most important of all, you should keep in mind the fact that this entire process of change takes place in your thoughts.